Have you been seeing ladybugs frequently? If you have, you're not alone. We are going to be exploring the spiritual significance around these creatures and what it means. Many people believe there's more to it than just it being a coincidence. Get to the video and let's uncover why you might be seeing these insects and what the spiritual meaning behind it may be. Bugs are known for their beautiful, vibrant colors. Every time I see one, I get excited. They're so beautiful. I love seeing the red ones with the black spots, like they're super bright red. They're just so beautiful. The number of spots on the ladybugs usually have a significance of like how much luck it actually really means. Ladybugs are messengers of transformation. This transformation mirrors our personal growth and the transformation that's happening in our lives. If you're seeing ladybugs, the universe may be encouraging you to embrace positive changes and to evolve spiritually. Seeing ladybugs, it could be the universe also letting you know that you are spiritually protected. Ladybugs can also act as guardians against negative energy and just protecting you from any negative energy. So if you're seeing ladybugs, just know that you are protected and can't nothing mess with you. And it could also be a warning sign to let you know to protect your energy and not let anybody get into your energy. But also, you are protected. So just make sure that you're doing all that you can on your end to make sure that you don't let anybody like take you out of your character or just irritate you. If you're seeing ladybugs, stay positive and maintain an optimistic look at life. Like, be optimistic. Be open. In times of vulnerability, when you're seeing ladybugs, it can also just be another sign to just let you know that you are protected and that you are safe and that you don't have anything to worry about. A sign to uplift your spirit and stay positive and be vibrant and be grateful. Be grateful for everything that you already have and be open to receiving more, because you will be receiving more, because ladybugs are lucky. Like one of the luckiest creatures that I can think of. Every time I see a ladybug, I'm like, oh, yep, about to get some money or something great is about to happen. And when you're constantly seeing them, like, it's just a constant reminder. And it just, every time I see them, I just feel so good. And I just get so uplifted. I'm like, yep, it's about to be good. Like, everything's about to be good. Like, yeah, it's good. Next time you see a ladybug, I want you to make a wish. And then I want you to watch it fly away. And I bet you whatever you wish for, it is going to come true. Believe me, because I have done it. Every time I see a ladybug, okay? I did my research and I was like, okay, why do I keep just seeing them and seeing them and seeing them and seeing them? I always knew as a kid that when you see ladybugs, like, it's lucky. Because they always taught us that. They never really told us exactly how. You know, and that's why I thought that I should make this video. But I always knew it was lucky. And it's super lucky. Like, I've actually done it. Okay, like, I see ladybugs. I have been seeing ladybugs, like, all the time. They've flown in my house. I've seen them on my car. I've just seen them walking. I've seen them on my kitchen window, on my living room window, on my balcony. One flew in through my window, through my AC, like, flew in. It was just crawling around. I was like, oh my God. Like, and I get so excited when I see them. So when you see a ladybug, make a wish. Tell the ladybug what you want and let it fly off with your wishes. I guarantee you they'll be granted. So thank you so much for joining me on this spiritual enlightenment about what the spiritual meaning of ladybugs means and why you may be seeing them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights, because I have more fascinating, beautiful, spiritual videos coming to you guys. Until next time, stay evolving. And remember, share the wealth, increase the peace. There's enough money for everybody out here to eat. All right. Don't forget to share what you guys have learned. Do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't, because I have more treats coming for you. And I will be doing another giveaway really soon. So, all right, you guys. Bye. I love you. And I will see you guys again soon. Thanks for watching.